Hello, welcome to the Shoe Snob unboxing video series. This is my second installment, and today we are here to talk about Meermin, Mallorca, famous Spanish shoemakers. Meermin was kind enough to gift me a pair of their shoes. Just out of the goodness of their heart, I had the pleasure of meeting with Pepe, the owner, who's a very nice guy, young and ambitious, and I took a quick stroll and visit down to their Soho shop in New York a few weeks back, and gave me something that I could wear. So I decided to take a nice pair of shoes that were going to serve me well this winter season, and I thought I would share them all with you and show you what I think of Meermin. So here's their box, a very sturdy cardboard box. I'm starting to see that plain cardboard in reality is probably the best shoe boxes there are because they're strong. I think when you dye them, it must cheapen the material when you dye it because the cardboard version is thick and durable. So Meermin has done a natural color cardboard box which fits their logos and coloring. So let's take a look. As you can see, the shoes are nicely presented, wrapped with a shoe bag. The shoes are not actually in the bags, but they are provided. Nice size. They feel strong as well, which is always good because when you have your shoes, especially when you have shoe trees in them and they're banging around, it's good to have good quality shoe bags. So the pair that I got is their double monk strap in dark brown suede on the day-night like sole. For those of you that don't actually know, let me explain quickly. Day-night is a brand, but it is not what this sole is in reality. I don't know the history if they were the first to use this type of button-like design, but Day-Night Sole is just a brand that kind of classifies this look. In my own brand, I call it a country rubber. I'm not sure what Meermin's name for it, but this is what it is, and this is the Spanish version of it, which a lot of Spanish makers use because you pay a premium for day-night. So, oops. No editing on these videos, so when you see me make a mess up or drop a shoe, hey, that just is what it is. So, Meermin shoes. There's a lot of talk about them. Meermin came onto the scene a few years back and exploded, mainly because they were offering welted shoes at insane prices. And when I say insane, insanely good. They were able to do that because they're made in China. Let's just get it out there. It's not a secret. Everybody knows it, and they don't hide it. And you know what? In this day and age, to be honest, there's nothing wrong with it. So let's just say Meermin's made in China, right? But they're still great shoes. Now, these ones, there's a lot of talk being hand welted and Goodyear welted. The lower end line to me, I believe, is just the Goodyear welted line. I don't see the dimples on the insole that usually signify a hand welted shoe. Oh, they even say here, this one is Goodyear. So the lower end line, this shoe's priced at $195, is a Goodyear welted product. Truth be told, and I'm gonna just say this flat out, you can't get better than that. Meermin's unbeatable in terms of price for what you're getting. It's a solid shoe. I've tried it, it fits good. A lot of people say that Meermin shoes are stiff and hard to break in. This shoe's got some great flex on it. When I tried it, it felt comfortable. I've yet to wear them for an entire day, so let's see how that goes. I'll do another post, obviously, with pictures of me wearing them and whatnot, and give you more of a fit feedback and quality in terms of how they wear. But I just thought I'd get these out, show you the Meermin shoe. 195 bucks, you can't beat it. You really can't. It's a steal of a deal. You know, there's just nothing you can flaw it. I mean, again, are there little imperfections here and there? Yeah, of course, but if you think otherwise, I'm sorry, you're a fool. And I did kind of want to touch base on that. A lot of people are out there online writing about Meermin and their $200 shoes and complaining, which is just mind-boggling to me. You know, right now, if I look at this shoe, you can see that it was cut more here with the machine than it was on this side. It's not even. Now, I look at that and I think, really, who cares? But I'm sure that there'd be some people online bashing them for this. But what they fail to realize is that's what you get when you pay $200. You're lucky to even find a welted shoe of this caliber using English suede from Charles Stead. I believe they're Rapello. At $200, you can't get better. And to think otherwise is it's just pure naivety or ignorance, to be honest with you. So it's mind-boggling and drives me crazy when I see all these people complaining about their Meermins, because in reality, what are you complaining for? Because $200 really gets you crappy Blake stitch shoes or even glued crap with fake leather. So to even be able to have the opportunity to get a solid welted shoe at $200, in theory, everybody should be grateful for, because it's unheard of. And the only reason you can get those prices in reality is because they're made in China. And made in China doesn't mean what it used to. It doesn't mean bad quality. It doesn't mean bad anything for that matter. There's actually some phenomenal Chinese shoemakers coming out into the scene right now doing handmade stuff that is mind-blowing. So, you know, we're no longer in this day and age where America means great, Europe means great, all this manufacturing here and there means something. There's crap made everywhere and there's good stuff made everywhere. There's no longer it can only be good if it's made here and it has to be bad if it's made there. That doesn't exist anymore. So, again, Meermin shoes, $200, you can't beat it. If you're expecting evergreen quality, grow up, because you're not going to get it and it doesn't exist. And I'm sorry, but I'm going to tell you straight, you're missing a trick if you think you're getting extreme hand-detailed finishing and things that are really what you pay for when you start paying more for your shoes. At $200, you're paying for the leather and the making, and that's it. You're not paying for somebody to quality control these to the nth degree with the super eye. You're not paying for any kind of details to be refinished and whatnot. Maybe you're going to have a crooked cap. Maybe you're going to have something, a flaw here and a flaw there. You're going to have the sole not finished the same. It's not going to be even, but you're going to get a solid shoe that's going to last you. And that's what you're paying for at $200. Anyway, I like Meermin. I'm not going to say that their models are mind-blowing or their design is out of this world, but it's a good shoe for a good price, and that's really what you're buying. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed. I will do more on this. Of course, I'm going to wear these shoes. I'd like to see how they wear in some harsh weather. I purposely got these for a rainy day. As you guys know, I like to wear suede in the rain because it takes it well. Same for the rubber sole. This is great in New York. If you guys haven't seen or been to yet, check out their shop in Soho. It's a beautiful space. I'll do a post on that too soon. Anyway, thanks for tuning in on my second version. Stay tuned for more as I ask more shoemakers to send me shoes so I can review them for all of you and show you how it is, and show you how their products are. Anyway, thanks again, and I'll be back later. Let me find my, lost my pen. Take care.